Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is Apple Watch SE Series 3. I'm purchasing as usual my favorite electronic store in Power. This Apple Watch price here in Copenhagen, Denmark, 2299 Danish krona around. In this video we will do unboxing how I configure this Apple Watch to my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's check it out. So now I just simply open here. I am receiving this gift coming from Manu Pandeji and Sawan. The box. So look at this here. Here the model number. Apple Watch released on 2025, this same year, with iPhone 17 Pro Max. Inside the box we receive two types. One is belt, so as a sport band we receive here. This the black color. Here is our Apple Watch. Inside here, C-type charging cable. This is our product. Midnight black color. So it's very easy to fix as well. The belt like this. That's it. Apart from that, you can use this like this. So it's perfect to my hand. I just simply start this one. Before start, I need to use my iPhone 17 Pro Max here. So configuration perspective, here is my iPhone. Just simply start here, and the Apple Watch is a start. Meanwhile here the phone is as well unlock. Wait couple of seconds. So here look at this here, bring iPhone near your watch. So my iPhone is near in my Apple Watch. So look at this here, automatically Apple Watch is showing here in your iPhone if near. Just simply tap and set up myself only. If you set up with family, you select with this one, but I set up myself only. And you need to configure this one to this circle. Just simply use, hold, Apple Watch is appear. Look at this here, set up Apple Watch. Just simply tap here and left, right. So definitely I should wear in left. Continue, setting particular language, connecting the Apple Watch. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process. Please connect to setup, agree, create a password or add login passcode. Don't add passcode, so I just simply say create a password, 4-digit, use anywhere, re-enter the password, and this process is going on here. Look at this, wait couple of seconds. Look at this here, accessory, we need to continue, share the detail. My birth is automatically coming here, even the weight, wheelchair, continue. Yes, welcome to activity as well, not next. Every day how much calorie I need to use. So goal 500 calories, goal around 700 calories, daily exercise 60 minutes, routine track, enable routine track, SOS, continue. And now control the Apple Watch. Look at this, continue, sign in to your account. So the round is complete. Apple Watch is a synchronize. Your Apple Watch is almost ready, and get alert done, so you can use your Apple Watch afterwards. So look at this here, almost configuration is completed, done, and that's it. You can start your Apple Watch. Enjoy this Apple Watch feature. It's very easy to configure as well. This is the simple unboxing and configuration video of Apple Watch SE Series 3. If you like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.